Welcome to Jervy Paul Official, your ultimate destination for exciting gaming content and easy to follow tutorials. Whether you're here to level up your gameplay or learn new skills, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest uploads. Let's dive in and explore together.
Hello guys, magandang gabi o magandang araw. So muli tayong nagbabalik. So ngayon, malalaroin lang tayong isang laro. So isa tong simpleng laro. Ito ay tinatawag na Blind Cricket Block. So yun po yung pangalan ng laro. So iba din yung Blind Cricket. So iba din yung Blind Cricket Block. So isa rin tong laro na to na na-upload ko na dati, no? So isa to sa mga games na na-upload ko na dati. Tika lang.
Music volume 81, 87, 93, 100.
Okay. So pinalakas ko na lang yung music para
Stop button.
natin, no? Marinig nyo. So isa tong games na to sa na-upload ko na dati. So ngayon, dahil bago tayo ng channel, so muli natin tong i-upload. So
000114, recording.
bago natin ituloy yung laro, so huwag nyo sanang kalimutan ang pag-subscribe and pakita din yung bell icon at pati na rin yung all para kung may bago tayong upload na kagaya ng video na to, agad kayong ma-notify, mabigyan kayo ni YouTube ng notification kapag may bago tayong upload. So pwede nyo rin tong i-like and i-share yung ating mga uploads dito, mag-games man yan o ma-tutorial. So
Stop button.
simulan na natin para madali lang tayong matapos. So hindi naman talaga to laro na kagaya ng mga games na nilaro natin, no? Na by part. So isa lang tong simpleng laro.
Home button. Home screen. Screen 2 of 3.
Okay, so ngayon hanapin natin yung games. So audio games to guys, no? Isa pala tong audio games bago ko makalimutan.
All apps.
Isa tong audio games na
Branch header manager is button.
pwedeng laruin ng kahit sino. So ngayon simulan na natin para matapos na. Okay.
Assistant. Audio. Arizona. Back camera selfie. See my eyes. Blind cricket lag.
Okay, so ito na yung games.
Quick step. Enter gaming exit and floating keyboard.
Tap to start. Double tap for high score. Tap to start. Please listen to this sound. This sound increase as the ball reach near you. Tap at maximum sound to hit the ball.
Okay.
One run. One run. One run. Two runs. Six runs. Plus extra balls. Two runs. One run. One run. Two runs. Four runs. Four runs. You made 5 runs. Tap to start. Double tap for high score. Tap to start. Double tap for high score. Tap to start. 2 runs. 1 run. 1 run. 2 runs. 2 runs. 2 runs. 2 runs. 3 runs. 2 runs. 2 runs. You made 9 runs. Tap to start. Double tap. 1 run. 1 run. Ball missed. 0 run. 2 runs. 1 run. 2 runs. 2 runs. 6 runs. Plus extra balls. 4 runs. 2 runs. 1 run. 4 runs. Plus extra balls. 1 run. You made 7 runs. Tap to start.
Home
Double
options.
tap for
Exit
high
gaming
score.
mode.
Tap
Home button.
to start. Double
Home
tap
screen.
for
Home
high
showing
score.
floating keyboard. Overview button. Recent app. Screen. Clear. Clean. 2 point. Line cricket lap. Recorder. 000651. Recording.
So yun po yung kabuuan ng games, guys, no.
Screen locked.
So dapat sa games na to, dapat medyo mabilis yung kamay mo dito. So gaya ng mga narinig nyo sound, dapat mabilis yung pag mo, double tap. So para hindi ma-miss yung ball, so makakuha ka ng 6 run. So so yun lang, no. Yun lang yung masasabi ko sa games. So isa lang talaga siyang simpleng laro. At yun lang.
7:38 p.m. 000756. Recording.
So yun po yung kabuhang laro, guys. So bago natin to putulin yung ating uploads for today, so medyo marami pa kayong abagang laro dito, no. So may ano pa tayo, no, frequency missing. So hindi pa din siya natapos, no. So baka magtaka kayo, no, kung bakit wala pa tayong upload sa mga games natin na na-upload na. So ganang frequency missing. So hindi ko pa siya tinuloy para kung hindi tayo makapag-upload ng tutorial, at least may ano tayo pang reserve na i-upload.
7:40 p.m. 000910. Recording.
So yun po yung
Stop button.
kabuhan sa Blind Cricket Block. So isa pa siyang audio games na pwede ninyong ilaro. So yun siguro, guys, no. So pagpasensya na. Medyo maingay yung kuliglig dito, no? Kasi gabi ngayon. At yun lang guys, and
Pause button.
magandang
Stop button.
araw.